The title of this video, it is how to connect a one lamp controlled by one gang, one-way switch the easy way. The application of this wiring connection, it is for your comfort room or toilet or even in the bedroom. So let us start with the circular box. This is circular box. We will insert with the screw. So this is the circular box. Screw. And then we need a pipe. The size of pipe, it is not necessarily mean that it is always, the size is like this. So maybe it is up to 10 meters or 5 meters in the wall connection. This is the switch box. So in the switch box, we need a pipe adapter before you insert the pipe. So this is the pipe adapter. So we will insert it and then tight. Rotate it clockwise like this. Rotate it in clockwise rotation. So insert it again, and then so if no available hole for this, so we need to do it. So we will open. This is the emergency switch. So we will do the what is needed. So this is electric drill or machine drill machine. Okay. Then insert screw like this. Okay, so as much as possible, it is straight. The next, we will proceed to wiring. This is this red wire. It is used for the phase or a line. So we will insert wire from here going down. So this is for the phase or line. If you think it is very difficult for you to insert like this, so you better start from below. So, and the wire should be like this. Another technique, you will do like this. Okay? Then, it is easy to insert. Okay. So this is for the line and line or phase. So let us cut now. So here, and then another line. It is from here going to up here, and then we will cut again the wire. Okay. So we will tight the screw, so that it is easy to connect wires. So from this line or wire, we will use now the one gang. This switch is known as one gang. This is one gang, single gang, or one gang, one-way switch. So there is a label here stated that L and the other one is 1. So the L, it is for the line or phase. So it means we will connect this now to this one, this line for the line or phase. So we will insert now the we will connect as much as possible. You will remove the insulation at least 1 centimeter and then insert to the line connection like this. So no expose of conductor. So tight it. So this is a technique for you to not to confuse, and you cannot you can do it in a proper way. So like this, or a correct connection. And then another one, so a little bit problem with the switch. Let us connect it properly. Okay. Then another line, we will connect it also. We will use another insulation remover. This is another insulation remover. So we will insert it to other side like this. Okay. After you insert or connect the switch, so you can now proceed to. So this is now the one-gang one-way switch, and then this is the wire connector. So where this wire connector, of course you will splice it again. This one, splice it. Okay, then connect to wire connector, this wire connector. So make sure that it is connected in through a conductor of the wire connector and the conductor of the wire. So like this. Okay, and then after the line or phase, so you need a wire for our neutral connection. So from neutral connection, you need a wire for this also. So this is for neutral. So you will cut a wire for the neutral and then splice. Okay. Okay, so this is now the wire for neutral, black color for our neutral connection. So we will connect it from here, going to neutral. Okay, this is the neutral connection. So conductor, again, conductor to conductor. Okay, so make sure it is durable. And then next it is the earthing. So in doing the earthing connection, you will do it like this. So one from here and then another here. So we will do it one by one. So earth connection from here going to middle. So and then from here we will cut the wire and then we will insert it to earth. So considering that this is the earth connection, so in this experiment we will insert the earth lug. We will do, or we will connect earth lug for this. Okay. So this is earth lug connection, earth lug like this. So you just insert it here and then you will tight. So you will better use this. There is a tip of this you can use as to creep. Okay, actually this is wire scraper, but you can use here in this wire. This is the earth lug, and then we will connect. Then we will connect the earth lug. So earth connection. Okay, tight. Okay. Now this is for earth also. Earth connection. So should be together with small one. We'll cut another small one for the earth connection. This. So splice both sides, and then one side you will insert earth lug. Okay. So you will insert earth lug again like this with equivalent script. You will script it like this. Okay. So as you can see, it is durable. So you fix it together at the middle. At the middle, you will insert it together like this. Okay? And then tight. Okay. The next, we will, since this is earth or ground, this is earthing system, we will insert it to the earthing system of our building, of this room or in this building. So considering that this is the earthing connection, so it is for safety purposes. And then another earth also, we need to insert again another earthing from the input. So we need also another earth connection for input. Okay, input connection of earth. So this we will cut again earth and splice. Okay, and then splice it both sides like this. Okay. Now we will insert it together. So should be inserted here together. So we will insert another earthing to this. Okay. So, as you've noticed now, this is the phase or line, the red one. The green or yellow, it is the earth connection, and then the black, it is a neutral. Then you will connect the lamp holder. This is now the lamp holder for both to same color. So since red is our line, so you just connect it, the lamp holder here with equivalent red. Okay, then equivalent earth. This is earth equivalent. So make sure conductor can touch the conductor of wire connector will touch the conductor also of a wire. So like this. So, and then neutral, make sure neutral is also connected to black color. So in electrical circuit, make sure that it is always 100% no error. So make sure it is 100% no error, so that because it is very dangerous, we are using 220 volts or 240 volts. So let us check again. So line, this is our line or phase connected to our switch. So this is our switch. So there's a problem, a little bit problem with the switch. So let us type it again. Okay. So tight the switch, and then we will insert now the lamp. This is the lamp. Okay. Then after checking the connection, if it is 100% correct, now we will do the connection. So from line, so this is the supply from line. So we have also the neutral, and then the earth. So this is the connection. Okay. So this is a emergency light, emergency switch rather. This is emergency switch. So let us test the light. Okay. So since the connection is one gang, this is one gang, one-way switch, and this is the lamp. So this video, it is how to connect one lamp controlled by one gang, one-way switch. So this is now the one gang, one-way switch. So you will see. So it is in trouble. So let us check again. Okay, so that's it. So as you'd notice, sometimes if there is a problem with the lamp, so it was broken already, it was busted. So this is now one lamp controlled by one gang, one-way switch. So as you'd notice, the line will be connected to phase of the switch, which is the one gang, one-way switch. Then number one line again, and go to the line connection using the wire connector. So again, I will repeat the materials needed in this connection, which is applicable to bathroom, comfort room, toilet, or even in the bedroom. This is the switch box, and then this is pipe adapter. This is the pipes, and the size of pipe, actually it's not necessarily mean that it is always like this. So this is circular box. You can extend it as much as the size of your location or room. So this is the circular box, and then this is the main switch, and then so this is the emergency switch. So as you've noticed, so even there is already light here. So in terms of emergency, you can use this as your emergency switch. So this is the first experiment, or the first practical experiment in the practical electricity. So again, take care and